Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. And then we're practicing our strategy this week. We're on day 4 of practicing our strategy. So who can remember what it's called? It's called counting on. So remember, on this side, all we do is say the name of the number and then count on how many objects. So we do the first one. We say 1, and then the next number is 2. So the answer is 2. On the next one, we're going to do 6 and then keep counting. 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. You do the next one, and I will wait to see what your answer is. What's the answer? It's 10. Very good. Okay, do the next one, please. The answer is 8. Okay? And the next one? The answer is what? It's 5. And the last one, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Good. And then on the back this week, we've been practicing counting on using a number line. So now we're doing the problems up and down where they were sideways. So start on 3 and count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we write the answer under the line. It's 8. So the next one is 4 plus 2. Pencils on 4, count up 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 6. The next one is 3 plus 6. Please put your pencils on 3 and count up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 9. The next one is 7 plus 1. That's pretty easy. We just put our pencil on 7 and we go up 1 spot, which is 8. Okay, next one is 4 plus 3. So we start on 4 and go up 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. So we stopped on 7. Now I want you to pause the video and do the last 2 rows on your own. When you're finished, I want you to check with mine and see how many of the answers you got right. Hopefully you get most of them correct, because then that means you know how to count on using a number line. So go ahead and push pause, and when you're finished, push play. Okay, let's see what you got. Now that you've had time to think, let's check your answers. So this one should be 7. This one is 10. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 6 is 7. And the last one is 5 plus 5, which is 10. So hopefully you were able to show that you know how to count using a number line, and then you turn this into your teacher and have her do what she wants you to do next.